Good evening, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist Bob here with a special tropical update on Tropical Storm Hermine. Tropical Storm Hermine nearing the northeast coast of Mexico this evening. As of 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, we have maximum sustained winds up to 60 miles an hour. It's about 100 miles south-southeast of Brownsville, Texas. Minimum central pressure by just recorded by the Air Force reconnaissance aircraft is at 992 millibars. So we've seen some steady strengthening this afternoon. And the movements to the north-northwest at 15. So really this only gives it a few more hours over, probably about 3 to 4 hours over over land. Probably make landfall probably around later on tonight, probably around 9-10 o'clock tonight. So not much time left. It was funny when the National Hurricane Center put out that 11 a.m. advisory. I don't know. I think they kind of thought I don't think they had the center right, and now at 5 o'clock they've kind of corrected it to be further west, which looked like all day long it was going to be further west, and not sure what that was all about, but whatever. It is what it is. So again, about 4 or 5 more hours over water. Probably could get a little stronger. We might see 65, maybe 70, a peak before landfall. That should be about it. I don't think we're going to see Hurricane Hermine out of this. My projections were if it stayed over water long enough, we'd hit about 65 at landfall. So probably around that. Maybe, like I said, maybe 70 before landfall. So again, let me show you the current satellite and radar view of this system here. And here's the satellite view, and here it is. Very well-defined system. I'm really starting to get an eye together with this system. And let me tell you, another 12, 24 hours over water, this thing would have been a full-fledged hurricane. So we're lucky it's running out of time. And you can see here's the center right here. I'm going to show you on the radar in a moment here, and it's going to scoot right like this, right into northeast Mexican coast here. Again, the main threat is going to be extreme southeast Texas coast here near Brownsville. Could definitely see some tropical storm force winds out of this one. Right now the winds are gusting up to only about 20 at Brownsville. And let me show you the radar here. So you can see Brownsville latest out here about 20 mile an hour gust. This is probably this first band right in here, which could contain close to tropical storm force gusts, possibly in this rain band here. But this is where the core of the strongest winds are, right here. So as this scoots up the coast just like this heaviest wind and rain band will clip southeast Texas here. So, like I said, the heaviest winds will be like South Padre Island down to Brownsville, right in this area here. Again, tropical storm force winds likely. You will not see any hurricane force winds out of this. So, even though you're under a hurricane watch, that's just in case, but I highly doubt that. The main thing is going to be rainfall with this system. A little bit of wind, like I said, but main threat's going to be wind. Looks like we're looking at surge of about 2 to 3 feet right in the hurricane watch area. I'll show you that. Let's go back to this right in here, that pink area, especially extreme southeast Texas here, possibly 2 to 3 foot surge as this comes ashore. So again, it's a little bit of coastal flooding, main threat rain, little bit of wind, like I said, tropical storm force winds. And then here we go. And this is from the National Weather Service here in Brownsville. Again, rainfall 4 to 8 inches. They have 2 to 4 foot surge, or at least water levels will rise 2 to 4 feet above normal. I'm not thinking that much, maybe 2 feet, maybe 3. And then also we got to remember, since Brownsville and extreme southeast Texas is going to be in that right front of this system, we could have some isolated tornadoes spin up right along the coast here. And then let's see rainfall amounts, and here we go. Like I said, 6+ near the coast. As we move inland, it'll be a little less. But again, remember, this is an area that had a lot of rainfall, especially in this Rio Grande Valley area from Hurricane Alex earlier in the year. So let's hope this could get on and get out of here, because we don't want to see a lot of rainfall right in this area. They're still kind of recovering from Hurricane Alex. So that's it on our update for Tropical Storm Hermine. I will have another full tropical update for you guys tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your Labor Day.